Good day folks, welcome to SMK. In this video I will show you how to remove the video watermark from your video background. So there is a website called an ieraser.media.io. Actually it's a part of Wondershare, so I'll make sure I'll attach the link in my video description. So what you need to do is you need to upload your video on this website after signing up, and then that's it pretty much. And the magic eraser is there, it's right there, so you can easily remove the watermark from the video. So I'll show you how to do. I have uploaded this video. Basically I use weed.io to remove the background noises from my video. That's why it's showing the weed watermark at the top right corner, you can see here. So I have uploaded this video and I'm gonna select the brush at the bottom of the screen, you can see, and then I'm gonna select the area which I don't want, which I want to remove from this video. So I'm gonna select it, and then that's it pretty much. When you select the area, the part of the video background which you don't want, which you basically want to remove from your video, that's it pretty much. You need to select and then click export. It will give you the video without any watermarks on it. So I'll show you the demo. I have already downloaded it and I have uploaded this video on my YouTube channel. I'll show you where it is. Actually it's right here. This is with the watermark and this is without the watermark. You can see here. It's a beautiful tool. You can try this out, and also it's free as well as far as I know. So you give it a go and let me know in the comment section below how it's like that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.